What's going on, guys? Mr. Isengard here. We're back with another video, and we're having another collaboration with
Cybertron King, check me out on YouTube. And then we got ourselves here.
DJ Cool 101. Come on, you records, come subscribe.
That was really fail.
Yes.
That was
Okay.
legitness.
Yeah. Okay, so we are playing the world's hardest game, version 2.0, and let's begin. It is my turn first. Sweet. Let's play a new game.
How about we each have like 5 lives since it's the world's hardest game?
Yeah, sure. Okay, I like that. So here's our fails. So, yeah. I don't stand a chance, don't I, huh? Oh, no. Okay.
Yeah, 5.
Got it. We need those points, too.
Ow! That scared me.
Okay, let's do.
Okay. I'm not.
Oh, you're trash.
I'm just gonna be sitting here, okay? When that sound plays, we go.
Come on. No. Go. No! Okay, my last
That's
shot.
4.
One more fail. Wow.
Okay, now it's Davion's turn.
How do you...
And Cybertron's turn.
Cybertron, yep.
You heard nothing. Even though you can only see half of my face.
Oh my god. Woo, stop. Damn you. So fucked. What in the heavens?
One more.
One last try.
Got it. Oh no! I thought I had it.
Alright.
Time for the DJ.
Cool 101.
Yes. So if you want to see another one of these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. And leave a comment down below saying you want another video.
Oh, I watched this one video where I was watching it yesterday. This dude went to sleep in a friend's house. Super possessed, that guy. Like, he was getting touched and stuff. Not like that, Dylan. I mean, DJ.
Cool 101. I'm gay. Fuck.
You guys didn't hear anything.
My,
Yes, we are sorry for that.
Mister, your turn.
You know, you gotta keep it kid-friendly.
Let's do another. Let's make. Any suggestions? Happy Wheels?
Yeah, sure.
This is number 4 on Happy Wheels episode number 4. I failed. Let's play.
Might have to refresh it.
Yes. Might have to refresh it.
Oh, you guys check me out on Mixer. I am on Fortnite.
Yes.
I'm on Fortnite, guys. My name is New Drago34. Space and cats. You know, cats and dragons and cats, all that.
Yes. So, any level suggestions? What should we play?
We should do the hardest level there is.
Hardest level there is. Okay.
Look at Dylan.
Shut up, man.
In the near future. He's right now.
Let's play
Throw some balls.
Sword Throw Jake Paul.
It says impossible. You can click on impossible 100.
Oh,
That's not a sword
Jesus.
throw. Yeah.
I'm not sure that's where you're supposed to spawn.
Back up.
Probably not, yeah.
Let's go full screen. Oh, well, I think we can only do in a one level.
Oh yeah.
Any rep short throw. So, deep hair bear, 1, 2, 3, 4.25 stars. You are now on YouTube. So, pat yourself on the back.
Remember, if you guys are his. Oh my God! You flew Billy.
We need to get to
Oh. Yeah, you pretty
Yep.
much just failed.
Yep, that was
Oh,
fail.
full screen,
On
full screen,
to
full screen.
oh yes, full screen.
Oh no!
No, we're not
We
here.
disappeared.
We have disappeared. Cancel. We're back. Restart level.
Alright.
Let me show you how it's done. Get back home.
You just hit it with the handle.
Yes. Okay.
Get back home. You stay there.
My God.
Whoa.
It's Billy from the We're moving.
Yeah, let's just set this with Let's move us right here. There you go.
I'm looking at Happy Wheels.
Oh,
Oh shit. Blurt.
technical difficulties with language.
That came out.
Of what?
We are sorry very much.
Triple nipple.
Will it happen again?
You didn't even get the first one.
No! You know, you can just press R to restart.
Exit, kid. 1,000%
Okay.
impossible.
Let's do another heart donation.
Hit.
Tune in. Iowa.
For some reason, it doesn't like continue what you're typing. I don't know why.
It's
And
the
why does
max.
our face cam keep glitching out like that? Lagging.
Because we're using the bummiest computer we could find. If we had like
Okay.
a regular
We're
computer,
here. Super. No, let's go for the most. Right here. There you go. Let's play. Hands free.
oh snap, hold on.
Close that.
Well, if you guys click X for those two.
So we got a leg over there. Ball. And
What happened?
I don't know. Oh, there we go. There we go. We're going our own separate path.
Oh no. Oh. Hey, that's clever.
Yeah. Congrats to the guy who made this. Or girl.
Wow.
There we are.
That was just one fat glitch right there.
There we go.
That's like
we
the-
did it. Heart donation. Yeah, somebody.
Right
What
to
if
the
it landed
stomach.
there instead?
That's one confusing heart donation.
Yeah, it's not exactly in the person, but it's correctly standing up. Let's do a
Oh, hey, I got one.
16,000 plays.
Whoa.
I think we already watched this one.
Yeah. It was.
Yes, we did. That was
Wait, here. Why don't we go to the one that I made? If you search it,
okay.
balcony.
So this is one of DJ Cool's levels. Let's watch. Let's see that.
Yes, I hope it is good.
Yes,
Not.
very good.
Don't subscribe. Not trying to subscribe.
Like if you like DJ Cool, dislike if you don't.
What? Oh, come on. Come on, man.
Isn't that one it?
No.
So close. So close yet so far. I'm gonna do that one. That one looks good.
Where is it? I know it's somewhere.
Right there. No, that's Dunes.
What was your name on this?
DJ Cool 101 PG-13 or something like that.
How do you forget your own name?
I don't know. I haven't been on Happy Wheels in a long time.
Yeah.
Hold on, hold on. Sorry, this is taking a while. Deadpool butt kicker. No.
DJ Danny.
No.
Coffee pole.
What?
Let's do this.
Hold on, wait.
C-A-R.
Car. No, wait, I remember.
Damn.
Okay, what was it called?
Or I was waiting on that one. You guys know this right.
Anti-gravity.
Anti-gravity part. Just like
Well, this
Pretty
is taking a
much.
while.
literally.
Yeah.
You guys
Alright,
subscribe
well,
to
let's
All Those Rules TV.
Let's just do a random.
Really?
Okay.
Yes. Anti-gravity.
Whoa! That's
So let's do a scary ball throw.
Oh, yeah.
Spooky, scary.
skeletons.
Death
Ball
defying ball throw.
My balls are death defying.
When he's playing a ball throw, Dylan, DJ,
That was a bad
You don't
pun.
curse on your channel.
You just said you don't criticize me.
No.
What? Bad language.
5.
This one's my fire trucking girl.
4.5 stars. Must be good. Okay. I might go into a ball random throw. Oh, so random.
Oh my god!
Oh! Ah, wow.
My god, look at your head! It says work.
Okay.
Oh, the Cowboys! Let go, Peter.
You know what? Wow. Well, that was Cybertron's turn.
Come on! No! Death shield! Wait, what? What happened?
It's still
No, look. Okay.
what?
I don't think. Okay.
It froze!
Let's give it another check. That was kind of.
Yeah. Another random throw. Death shield again. Well, hey.
Look,
Mine,
leader.
what? No!
Dead. We are reaching almost our 15-minute mark.
One
Dude,
more
we've got
thing
like
we got.
20 seconds. 10 even.
Go. Death, no.
Alright, cool. I'm glad they did this.
Quick. Quick. Reaching your end.